that we go to use as resources to get out of debt? So you just start with that.
For general financial literacy,
Mhm.
that is a great question that I don't have an answer to, because most people who teach general kind of basic financial literacy at scale, I either don't agree with, like Dave Ramsey, or I don't know much about, like Susie Orman. I don't know much about her.
Okay.
Jason Rivera. Pat said Jason Rivera.
I love that.
It's not a course we sell or anything, but I have advised people on that, and I do still advise people on that. The reason I didn't say me outright was because I don't have courses on that, although I can help with these kind of free educational things, which is, again, another reason we're doing this, to get the information out there everywhere we can. But in terms of paid content, I don't have a recommendation for paid content.
Well, I have a request for you. I'll put you on the spot. What would be your willingness? And I won't put you on the spot for a deadline, but would you be willing to have a look around? Because I'm betting if you could look around, knowing that you wouldn't like endorse it or put your name on it, but you could say, what about, like, I'd be curious to see if you could find any public resources, any traditionally conservative type of resources, financially conservative resources that you would approve of, that maybe we could start sharing with some people. What do you think?
Yes, I will look, but somebody did come to mind. The book me and Christina mentioned earlier, Secrets of the Millionaire Mind. I've read that book 6 times this year. 6 times this year. I read a lot, but I've read that book 6 times this year. That is my most read book this year. Pretty much everybody, in my opinion, should read that book. He doesn't necessarily talk about specifics of financial literacy, like budgeting and stuff like that, but the overall concepts will work for budgeting and growing your wealth and stuff like that. So I would, in second thought, think about that.
Okay. I love that. All right.